Hey guys, Ninja SA1 here. It is Friday, March 16th, 2012, and this is a video on the unboxing of the iPad 2 that I've just ordered. Recently, the new iPad came out, and I was like, yeah, well, that's all fine and dandy, that's great, but I don't want to spend that much money on such a device. So I decided I would go ahead and I would wait, and I would get the iPad 2 online from the Apple Store when they reduced the price. So the price went down by $100, which was good news. I'm trying to do this with one hand, it's not very easy. And but I also decided to take it a step farther and get the additional $50 discount on a refurbished iPad 2. So instead of just paying $399 or $400 for the iPad, I went and got the additional $50 discount, and I bought the refurbished iPad 2. So my price was $349. Now hopefully this is an iPad 2. I don't see that they have the 2 on here. It does say Apple certified refurbished. And here it actually does say iPad 2. It is the Wi-Fi version, 16 gig black. The refurbished iPad is supposed to be just as good. It has the exact same warranty as a brand new iPad with a 1-year warranty. And they apparently change out the battery, and they change out the backside of it. Here it is, and it's supposed to be just about as good as new. So I've had refurbished products before without a problem, and so I'm hoping I'll have the same kind of luck with this. So we have the camera there, and then we also have the camera in the back. iPad 16 gig. I'm not going to open it because I don't have my screen protector yet, and I don't want to open this and get dust in there just yet. And so it also comes with connecting cable and power adapter. And then this would be the literature that comes with it as well. iPad. And then stickers as well. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen, my new iPad. Friday, March 16th, 2012.